What is up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you what we do while camping. So when we camp, we bring my dirt bike. One of those like EV bikes, e-bikes I mean. And this time I'm going with my cousin and my uncle. And so sometimes I go with my papa and my dad. But this time I'm going with my cousin, my uncle, and my dad and me. So our Jeep really gets used a lot. So we got our Jeep. It's a 2018 Wrangler, and it's really my favorite car in the family. So if you're gonna go four-wheeling, I would recommend a Jeep Wrangler or a Gladiator. So, or camping, I guess. So, I would also use I see lots of trucks up in the mountains. And also the old car, the old Jeep, something. I don't know what kind it is though. So, probably, yeah, my favorite car in the family. It's really cool. So, and we always bring hot dogs and we really bring lots of stuff, so